Good morning, good morning. It is Tuesday, September 26th. Let me get the disclaimer up here. Please read through this. Trading is risky. Make sure you know what you're doing before you are trading. Good morning, good morning. Hi, Gregory. All right, trading is risky. Make sure you know the risks futures and forex and crypto have. They are not like regular stocks. So I only trade futures here, but make sure you read through this. This is on my website, boldanalysisllc.com/disclaimer. Good morning, good morning. All right, let's get into it. So, we just had our little drop. It is 9:19. So gold had a trade. I hit the offset. I think some others did too, but then it did go to full target. Look at that wick, Jen. Do you see it? It hit the offset right there and then dropped. So some hit the full target of $250. Some did not. It got short around 1928. And then I hit my offset, but obviously it dropped right after that. Hey, Mark. Hey, Jen. Hi, Blue. I'm on a little early, and then I'll get on TikTok in a bit. Good morning, good morning. It is Tuesday, September 26th. I am so excited. We're getting into quarter four soon. We just had a really good student call. My students are aware of what we are looking for on the day. So they are prepared and ready to take on the day and be successful students of mine, which I love to see. I think that's like my biggest accomplishment is when my students are just killing it day after day and they're really listening. It's awesome. It's an awesome feeling. Okay, well, let's not have a conversation in the results channel, Kevin. Not even in that. It's a huge advantage to anyone to manually trade, understand the markets. Okay, where are we at? So overnight, no NQ range trades, no, hi Carlos, no ES range trades, so no trades there. But again, gold has taken one trade so far this morning. Please hit that thumbs up as you come in. There are 15 of you on the live stream right now and only 7 likes. If you can't see the thumbs up, minimize the chat or rotate your phone up and down. I played pickleball again yesterday. Fun times. Y'all hate when I talk. Who always gets on me? Is it William? Remember, next week is going to be the opening for the workshop spots. There are 20 spots, and I have like 25 people that have messaged me saying they're super interested. So I'm going to open it up on Monday of next week. That is when you have to fully commit to the workshop. It's $3,000. You get your stay. So your stay is covered in Vegas for 3 nights. That includes the resort fees. And then you get breakfast and lunch each day that we're in the workshop. And then we're going to have some meetups and stuff like that. So I'm really excited. I'm a big pickleballer. Oh, Kevin, I'm not very good. But it's fun. It's fun to just get out there with your friends and be active. exactly. Nice, Jen. What are you starting it at like 9? Oh, yeah, yeah. Morning, Lauren. Let's hope the people who place good trades today don't swing because too many orders. What? What does that mean? What is happening? What? Hi, Rodney. Good morning. Please hit that thumbs up. There are 20 of you in the live stream and only 10 likes. So today is Tuesday. I know I've said that several times now. I have a dentist appointment at 10:45. So I was like flossing 4 different times yesterday. I actually really enjoy flossing. You know what the key to flossing is? Keeping floss in your shower. Because when you're in your shower, because I think like the thing that I hate most about flossing is when you floss and then like you feel, this probably sounds gross, but like whatever, like the food or the stuff is like then on your hands. But if you're in the shower, just all wash it off anyway, and then you're like washing your hands and your body. But anyway, I've kept floss in my shower probably since I was 20, and I just floss in the shower every time I'm in the shower. A lot of people were complaining when they replaced good trades but couldn't get a sell due to max capacity. Yeah, so that has nothing to do with swing trades, though, Miguel. That has nothing to do with people swing trading. And flossing is really, really good for your teeth and for your health. But I know people don't really love to do it. I guess if you get those picks, it's easier. I'm still old school where I use just like the full floss. What? Yeah, that's a problem. Please message. Make sure you guys are checking the spreadsheet because there is no way I had my dentist appointment yesterday. Rodney, we're like dentist twins. It's 9:26. That's smart. I've always brushed my teeth in the shower. Yes, Whitney, I enjoy brushing. Especially if I'm going somewhere quickly and I have to just like, I'm like, oh, I need to brush my teeth and I need to take a shower. I will take the toothbrush in the shower with me. But yeah, I just keep the little plastic floss container in the shower, like on top of one of like my body scrubs. And I'm like, oh, okay, let me floss my teeth. I was also informed it's best to have an electric toothbrush. I got an electric toothbrush and I feel like it doesn't clean my teeth as well. My dentist says it's doing a good job, but I don't believe her. So I went back to a regular toothbrush. I still have the electric one in my drawer, but I'm just not as much of a fan. All right, 3 minutes till the market opens. No one should have had a loss on NQ later yesterday at all, because it had a pullback. I'll show you here. It had a pullback, which was maybe red like a little bit, and then it went right to target. And then after it hit target, it went another 20 points above. So no one should have had a loss on NQ later yesterday. If you had a loss, your settings are wrong and you need to get with Irma. You're either on the wrong chart, you're using the wrong stop loss setting, you're using the wrong target setting, like something is wrong. Need to invest in a gas-powered one. What? A gas-powered toothbrush? Why? Is electricity just like gonna die soon? I'm so confused. Hell yeah, it's all the same time, so it's so much easier. Now I'll keep the cloths in my shower. We've gotten on a whole teeth. I'm big on teeth. Like, I'm big on nice smiles and teeth. That used to be like the number one thing I would look for. It probably still is. Like, if you have bad teeth, I'm sorry, but I just can't date you. Especially if you're now like a 40-year-old adult, you've had the time and the ability to get your teeth fixed. Like, maybe like if you didn't have money growing up, whatever, and your parents couldn't afford to get you braces, I get it. Braces are expensive as hell. I feel like I'm saving for braces now because they already told me my little one, when he was like 6 months old, he's gonna need braces. I'm like, okay. Well, maybe not 6 months. Maybe it was 1 year. Whenever you first go to the dentist, because he has a lot of crowding in his little mouth. The lady was doing an x-ray and was like, you have a little mouth. He found that so funny. Well, which one am I going live on? Okay. But yeah, like nice teeth. Straight teeth and white teeth are like a huge turn. I can't have somebody with like a nah, because I enjoy smiling, and so I want my partner to enjoy smiling. So we need to have nice teeth together, okay? So make sure you floss and go get an Invisalign. Ditto on the teeth. It's just like, I don't know, I think it just says a lot. Like, people say people's like weight says a lot about them. Listen, your girl fluctuates, okay? I could be like 120 pounds 6 months ago, and now I'm like 106 pounds, okay? But like, I could get that together. But like, your teeth, that's like a long-term thing. Like, that just means you probably weren't taking care of your teeth for a very long time. Lauren, better to tell your date to invest in BoldBot and use the money for better teeth. And I'm also not a fan of veneers. So don't get me wrong. I'm not looking for someone with veneers either. Yeah, news. We have 2 news reports at 10 o'clock. It's 9:29. Market's about to open. I'm live on TikTok. Jen, if you... Hey, Mike. Jen, Mike, and Charlie are already over there. If you want to go over there and link it to the group, I would love that. I'm waiting for the student call here. Yes, I am.
Order filled.
I wonder if... Oh, that was loud. That's a loud ching.
Sub filled.
That's a loud ching. All right, my trail hit on that quick little scalp there. I took it right below that. And it's also not 9:30 yet, so I should have waited. Now it's 9:30. I can play it for real. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi, how are you? Let's see if we get 34.
Order filled.
There's the 34. See if we get back under 31. Where are my students at? Here we go. We're at 28. There we go. 24. Guaranteed green on this short. 24, 23, 22. There we go. 21. Let's break. Let's break. There we go. 19, 17, 16, 15, 14. I'm green 305. One contract. It just made $305 on that short. And that's how you're a student. That's how being a student works. Did y'all get that? Where are my students at? Oh, I gotta turn my little freaking things on. Because that was the plan. It's still going. Now it's down at 10 and 11. My trail was just real close. Who got it? Who got it? I want to see hands. Price went right to 34. Dropped below 31. And now is at 11. That's 20 points. 20 easy points. That's $400 per contract. Got it, got it. Nice job, Jeremy. It's at 08 now. Let's go. I want hands raised. I want my little student emoji. All right. This is now like 25 points at this point. Nice. Carlos got it. Whitney, let's fucking go. Yes, yes. All right, now we're down to almost 800. Went to 804 there. I got it. 405. Thank you. Nice job, Charlie. Nice job. Good morning. Hi, good morning. Jen got it. I love to hear when my students get these plays. Blue, did you get it? Brandon got it. Got it. Get the money and get out. Exactly. If you don't have at least a break-even offset on your ATM strategy, you have to add it. So either use the break-even offset, and then you can move it down, or the trail. Oh, I need to open up my other VPS because I have Santa running on some Apex accounts, just so you guys can see it. Oh, this thing is like, I don't know why it's looking like that. The candles are looking funky. The shot's like flagging up. Oh, I wonder if... I'm going to have to look into that. Do I have it on close? Maybe that's why. Maybe it should be on tick. That might be why. Alright, give me 1 second. I'm just editing something over here. on this Santa. All right, 1, 2, 3. Where are we at? Where are we at? All right, so you can change it. You can change what? Another broken open. Got it. Nice, Andon. Nice. Got it, got it. Yeah, so you can do... So I have Santa off to the left. I'm going to just minimize that now. Quick 20 points done for the day. Man, do I like multiple Apex accounts. There you go, James. Awesome. Michael got it. Beast got it. Look at my members. Got it, got it. Jen, Karan, Brandon, Beast, Michael, James, and then all the ones in the chat. Steve, Brandon S., Andon, Jeremy, Carlos. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, showing you my auto trading algorithm. Not currently in any trades right now. Well, now ES just took a trade, but I am not in ES live today. ES is in a long, but I am not in this live. We'll see. We'll probably hit target. It's green 375. All right, that just made $375. Also,
Order submitted.
oh, that's probably on the other one. Can you see how much louder it was? Santa's in a long. I could move this over. I have this on some Apex accounts. I'm gonna have to figure out how. We'll see, we'll see.
Order filled.
Alright, that got stopped for $200. I have it earlier than the regular Santa. I think I had
Order
$935
submitted.
instead of $939. RTY Zones is in a trade down here. It's in a long. Right here. So if you're new here, my name's Lauren. We go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, then 2 to 3 p.m. YM range hit target. Nice, Mike. So make sure you follow, tap that screen so you can be notified when we go live. You can also hit that bell icon. Green, $70 here on the RTY zones. I'm going to put this on the zones account instead of my account because...
Target filled.
All right, target filled there on RTY zones. 1 for $100. Got in at 1795 and out at 797. Very nice. Thanks, Jen. If you're new here, say hello. Put a good morning in the chat. Let's go. Got a second short. Love those pullbacks. Nice. Nice job. Folks are already posting in chat. Great morning call done for the day. Caught the short this morning. $1,500 for Ben. 1, 2, 3. I don't know. $3,500 for Dana. This was Beast pre-market. This was at 9:15. Target filled. Whatever that was. Oh, RTY range just took a trade and hit target. I like the RTY range. Like when I looked at the data on the year, it didn't look great for most of the days, but I like it on like a day-to-day, but I don't have it live, so. But this RTY got in before this one, which was nice. So maybe if you want to run an RTY, do an RTY zones instead of an RTY range, since RTY range is not an everyday play. So far, I'm 1 for 1 on the algos. The only thing that's traded on my live account is gold. And I am 2 for 2 on manual trades on those shorts. I'm green around $500 on the day. I took a trade last night. I had like a manual trade. I took like a $200 loss. So that's okay.
Order submitted.
Where are we at? Oh, that's on the other one. That's on Santa. Ooh, Santa. Santa. Let's see if I can get this long. I randomly bought 3 Apex accounts. Remember, the Apex sale ends tomorrow. Tomorrow's the last day for the 80% off Apex sales. And then they will probably not have another sale until Halloween, I would assume. So what they typically do after a sale like this is then they have a discounted time where they'll be like oh, if you want to reset a busted account, they'll give you 50% off of that. But that's really it. So remember, this stop loss will move itself up after it's gone green $200. It got to 170, but it didn't get to 200. So and the stop loss is $200. So the risk is not bad at all, but Santa just takes a lot of trades, so you have to be okay with like the ups and downs or whatever. All right, let's see if this can push up here. This is in that whole area that we've been talking about manually. Remember, don't overtrade. I should also, where's my, hold on, let me move this
Order
back.
submitted. Order submitted.
ES early's in a long on bold zones. And range NQ is in a long, but it's no Tuesdays, so.
Target filled. Order filled.
For sure. All right. So, Santa had a loss. I don't know if the real Santa folks would have been in that trade. Sorry, I was reading something that someone sent me. I was, Jen, you're a mess. That was like the thing yesterday. We were like, oh, look at that 40. That 46. Oh, I want to take this again, but I don't want to chase it here. Where are my students?
Order submitted.
See, I'm not chasing it. Michael said, awesome morning call. So these are all of his Apex account, Gold ES, and manual. Student call is life, $3,500 for down bad. He is killing it. Killing it. Put the little lightning bolt because he's a premium member. Put the student emoji. Bloop, 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 bloop. I was jumping up last night like a bunch. I don't know what I thought was happening or going on, but I was definitely like, nice, William. I need Jen to bloop these on her phone later. Student play, thanks, Teach. Good job. Tony, these are all funded accounts. Do you see how it says PA? These are
Order
all
canceled.
well, except for this one in the middle. These are all funded accounts. So it's $250 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What's $250 times 15? Because he could withdraw that this week. Yes, it ends Wednesday at midnight, the Apex sale. But that's midnight Eastern Standard Time, so don't be like on the West Coast and then you totally miss out. $3,700 he just made on all of his funded accounts, and he can withdraw that on the next withdrawal if he wants. Hope you enjoy vacation. Hey, Jonathan, I was thinking about you yesterday. I'm like, where have you been at? Were you on vacation? because, oh, thanks for the blooping.
Order
Our little
submitted.
student emojis. All of our little students. Where are we at? ES early zones.
Order
Here
canceled.
is in a long green $100. Oh, the loud one is probably this Santa's not working well. It's probably gonna bust my friggin' accounts. Listen, that's why I stick to what I know. Okay. And I guess it's not quarter four yet, technically. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Nice job, Dana. Ben, great job. Love to see those results. You guys are killing it. The market is moving. NQ is trying to hold it down, but RTY, YM, ES are all trying to move up here. So I wouldn't be so quick to be shorting NQ here, because all of the other markets are really trying to push up. This kind of happened yesterday too. Lots of tug of war between ES and NQ. But that line rejection, like, insane. Student call, golden. $16,000. Michael made $16,000 this morning. And it's, what time is it? It's 9:45 a.m. That's insane. Oops. Got in and out, still learning, so taking it slow and steady. Hey, Cece, $390 is huge. You should be super proud of yourself. Congrats, girl. Congrats. Oops. So ES early was 1 for 1. NQ early was 1 for 1. Gold was 1 for 1. RTY zones was 1 for 1. And then ES zones is in this long. Printing stacks for sure. He really is. So that's what I'm saying. I'm not. The play for NQ for my students played out. Yeah. This is where I watch where ES and QS in the battleground. Yeah. It's true. Hi, good morning, Ricky. How are you? All right, NQ might be well on. Maybe, maybe not. I don't think it's. I don't know if it's that serious. So RTY clearly is moving up this morning. ES is trying to figure its way out. NQ wants to move down, but I feel like the other markets are holding it up. So we're kind of just at a standstill. There are also 2 major reports at 10 o'clock, so that could also be why. Kyle said 2 trades and I'm done. Swag. Oh, look at that. Kyle's got 4 accounts now, $900 on each. What is that, like $3,600? Nice job, Kyle. Taking the student call, putting it into motion. If you haven't taken the mentorship and you haven't really elevated your trading. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? I literally hand you the play every morning. You just have to take the trade. Make sure you hit that thumbs up as you come in on YouTube or tap that screen on TikTok. There's only 2,500 likes, y'all. Only 25. RTY is like, I'm running without you guys, okay? That makes sense. I have an alert. Oh, Pink had a $400 short. Nice job, Pink. Thanks for the follow, Brian. Again, I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m., showing you my auto trading algorithm in the futures market. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. NQ had a nice move down here. Oh, that's what I was going to do. I was going to take a picture of the line, and I feel like people are so quiet in premium lately. Where's everybody at? John, where are you? I need you,
Orders
my
submitted.
hype man, in
Target
premium.
filled.
Target filled on something. Was that NQ? NQ early, 2 for 2. NQ early. Yes. Oh, the swing alert just happened. But see, I can't get in it now. Where are my students at? Let me tell them.
Order filled.
This might be a regret. We'll see. We have a report in 9 minutes. This isn't the best. This isn't my best entry.
Order submitted.
RTY is in a short on zones. ES is probably going to get stopped on that. But it actually has a good amount of room, so sometimes it works out. Maybe with the report coming in 9 minutes, it might actually be okay. A better entry here would have been obviously under 800, but I wasn't paying attention, and then I got the notification. I should move this up to 803. We'll see. There you are, John. Yeah, eggs is 2 for 2. Green apple is 1 for 1. Gold is 1 for 1. RTY is in... Oh, no. RTY is 2 for 2. Right? No, never mind. RTY is 1 for 1. RTY on zones is in its second trade here, the short. Hey, Brett. Thanks for the likes. So there's a report, 2 reports in 8 minutes that are high impact reports. So we'll see what happens. And my live on TikTok might get delayed for a second only because I'll have to buzz these girls in. They're coming at like 10. So how many different bots do you have, and do they trade off price action? No, so they trade different scenarios. But I have about 10 bots. We utilize on a daily basis 2 to 3 of them. 2 of them are standard, and then the other ones are all premium. See if we can break this 80 area. You know what I'm not thinking about is, did we have a overnight level here? Yes, 782. Look at my dumbass. See, because I'm not paying attention. This is yesterday's low, the 782. We're breaking yesterday's low now. Then we can go to 725. But we didn't really get below it yet. And my dumbass got in the trade at 782. This is why just jumping in a trade is never a good idea. Having a plan is always the best. So they're probably going to hold the 782 from yesterday. They got like a little lower. What do you mean, which screen? Which screen about what?
Target filled.
Target filled on the R2Y short. Well, I'm green $70 now. Let's see if I can get a little more on this short. Because those big reports are coming, so I don't really want to get fucked in this trade. Especially because my dumbass didn't realize that it was yesterday's low. Until I went back to the student corner and I looked. The reports might run it up. We'll have to see. R2I came back to the zone. 2 major reports in 6 minutes. So let's see what happens. I got out of that trade. I'm fine with that. I think I made like $30 or $40 or something. Oh, look at the new swag that she created. Jen, I love it.
Order submitted.
ES early is in a short. I don't know, ES early. Let's see. And then this ES is still in a long on zones. Nope. See, look, with the report coming in 5 minutes, that's when it gets real kind of hit or miss. RTY came and bounced off this. And RTY is really the only one with any strength today. Like, NQ had a nice short, but...
Target filled.
Ooh, target filled on ES. There it goes. I guess drop back down. So eggs is, I mean, Apple's 2 for 2 on ES. ES is 2 for 2. NQ is 2 for 2. RTY is 1 for 1. Gold is 1 for 1. I know some folks are still running them live, so that's why I am going to report on them. R2Y range, 1 for 1. Like, listen, the numbers in your favor. Overall, if you want to get real specific with, like, I have a student or a member who will only run a strategy on a daily basis if it's above, like, 96%. So you can do that, and then you're not going to be, you know, and then you'll miss out on, like, a day like today where it's, like, 4 for 4. But you're going to have that security or the feeling that you want, and that is totally fine. That is something that you can do. Then there's other people that are willing to take the risk and they want to make the money. So they're like, you know what? I'm going to take the trade even if it's only, you know, 80% on Tuesdays or whatever it might be. Nice job, Mike. Mike just posted his P&L around $300 on each of his accounts. ES zones, I thought range was updated. Yep, no, ES range is 2 for 2 today. Again, I kind of just went through this, Jonathan. That's exactly what I'm saying. That if you, some people are still running these, so this is ES range, it's 2 for 2. Some people are still, like if you look in the chat from last night, EV is still running ES, a few other folks, and that is their prerogative. Again, if they see the numbers and they're okay with the overall swings, then that's up to them. I can't tell people how to run their account. The reports hit in 3 minutes. Even NQ early. NQ early was definitely changed to a no Tuesday a bit ago. Some people still run it, and it's 2 for 2 today. So, yeah, it's totally up to them. Look at this 20-minute candle, though. Thanks, Jen. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. Jen and I go live. Well, I go live every morning, 9:30 to 10:30. Then Jen goes live every day, Monday through Friday, 2 to 3 p.m. And she gives a user perspective. She is a member of the algorithm. She's been using it since 2020. She's also one of my students. So she gives a nice kind of like user perspective. You guys can ask her questions kind of from her side versus my side, which is the like creator developer side. I guess my short would have worked out, but that's okay. I was at that daily level, and then with the report coming up too, 2 reports in a minute and a half, 90 seconds. Make sure you follow and give us a like. give a thumbs up, because we go live for y'all, you know, showing you guys, because I know people have interest and they might think the price tag is a little high. So we like to go live to show you guys what it can look like, what it does, how it works, essentially, without giving you all of the details. And then you can make a decision for yourself. If you want more information on the algorithm or the mentorship, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. All right, almost the report. Let's see. Less than 30 seconds. Playing a conservative day. Let's see if Vanculator will what it will bring me. Nice, Jimmy. Yes, yes. So true. All right, gold is moving up. There it goes. It's 10 o'clock. Let's see what happens here. The market seems to be moving up a bit. We'll see. Gold is going back. This is NQ. What, Jonathan? Oh, you were saying 1 minute for the reports? Yeah. It went back up to that 82. That's the daily level from yesterday. Hi, Kev. How are you? It's 10:01. Just watching the action here. See if we can get back through that 82 or if I'm going to short it.
Order filled.
I'm taking a scalp here. Based off the 82. Green, $100. There we go. Green, 145. I got short at 81. Green, 150. Green, 130. It's guaranteed green trade because my trail has moved in. See if we can drop some more. There we go. 175, 180, 190. Green, 195 on this short now. Green, 215. Green, 230. Green, 245.
Stop filled.
And I'm out. It was very good, very good. Like $200 on that short. Just peachy. Nice, Kevin. It pulled back up to that daily level from yesterday, so it used that as resistance, and then I took the short. It's 10:02 a.m. The only trade I'm still in,
Order submitted.
and it's on, well, I'm in another trade. RTY range is in a trade. RTY range isn't a long on simulation. Let's see. RTY has been the product that's really moved up today, like the only one. ES has been kind of sideways, and NQ just dropped. It's 10:03. My laundry just got finished. Again, I have the dentist at 10:45, so I have to get off of here maybe at like 10:20, 10:25. Yeah, for sure. Boop, 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 boop. I know, LOL, but it's so easy to see. It took a third short 800 for another 300 per account. Kyle, shut it down. Walk away. He said I know, but it was so easy. Now swag, I promise. Good. Good, 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 Kyle. Building PA accounts. Nice job, Jonathan. I love to see it. Small but steady wins. Build that cushion. And then you get withdrawals for life. Because if you have a funded account with NinjaTrader and you can build a $6,000 to $8,000 to $10,000 cushion, you can honestly run whatever you want. And even if it has a loss, like yesterday I had a loss on ES. And I have large sizing too. So it had one loss and I lost $2,000. So even if you lost $2,000, and then the other setups made me, like NQ later hit, NQ early hit 2 times. So then that even brought me down. So I think my loss on the day was maybe 1,000, 1,500, something like that. So if that's like what a losing day looks like, you know what I mean? Like maybe a losing day is even $2,000. If that's what a losing day looks like.
Target filled.
Look at RTY just took back-to-back trades. RTY's 3 for 3 for $375. Get the fuck out of here. Anyway, but if that's what your typical, like a typical red day would look like, and maybe you have a red day once a week or once every other week, your $8,000 to $10,000 cushion can, I took that short, Lauren, at 70, can 100% withstand the that loss. Like your cushion is not going to be affected at all. So if you have a cushion on your Apex account of $8,000 to $10,000 and you have a red day yesterday of say $1,500 or $2,000, whatever it is, you're still going to have a cushion of $6,000 to $8,000. And now today we're green 1,300. So now you're 1,300 pretty much puts you back to where you were yesterday. And once you're in a funded account, there's no more trailing drawdown. So that part is out the window. It doesn't matter. If you want more information, please email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. We go live every day showing you the auto trading algorithms, both on the futures market, sometimes on the stock market, but specifically the futures market. And we also talk about manually trading and breaking down the market in the NASDAQ. But if you want to utilize Apex and not risk any of your own capital, you can have up to 20 accounts. Up to 20 accounts on Apex, funded accounts. And this is what I was saying about Jonathan. So these are his funded accounts. Somebody else also posted, look at Beast. 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, like a whole bunch. You didn't see that on the site. So what? So like Tony, he made, what did I say this was, $3,700 today? These are all PA accounts. You can see it right here. These are funded accounts, and he made $250 essentially on all of them. I didn't count this one, and it's $3,700 on the day. He could withdraw that $4,000 on the next withdrawal date. There's 2 withdrawals per month. You can withdraw twice per month and from each of your accounts. And the first $25,000 is all yours. Down Bad made $3,500 today. Michael, where's Michael's other? Michael posted another picture that was, oh, here, $16,000. Michael made $16,000 today. Yesterday, he made $20,000. And like, this is not typical, so let's not kind of like get our heads blown up. But the point is, Michael's been in my group for, say, 8 to 10 months. He's been listening. He took the mentorship. He runs the algorithm. He is killing it. And he's honestly just listening to what is being said, and he's the magic moneymaker Mike. Right, exactly. That's his nickname. But even folks that are taking it slow, these are all funded accounts, and he's making, $20, $50 on all of them, just like Jonathan. $50, $60. I don't know what this $500 one, maybe that's a evaluation account. But slow and steady, you build those few $1,000s. Even if you make 200, say you make $250 a day times, what's 250 times 20? Times 21, average per month. So you build that $5,000 cushion in a month, in 1 month, by making $250 a day. So you have a cushion. If you make $500 a day, then you got that $10,000 cushion in a month. You have that cushion, and then from then on out, you run whatever strategies you want with, not essentially whatever sizing, maybe 2 minis, 3 minis, and then from there, you're just withdrawing every 2 weeks, which is crazy. So once you build, that one was Sim. Okay, got it. But once you build that cushion, so if you're a patient trader, if you're a patient person, this is going to work for you, because you're going to pass evaluation in, say, a week and a half or whatever. You can go hard on evaluation, especially during a sale, because then you could just get a new $17 or $34 account. Like, it's not ideal, but you're not risking a funded account. So then you make $250 to $500 a day, and you build that cushion after a month. And then going forward, there is no way, unless you go YOLO, that you could lose $10,000 in a day. Like, there's just no way. So then you consistently make $100, $200, $500 a day, and you just keep building and building and building, and it just never ends. Like, it's crazy. And then you withdraw every 2 weeks. And after your first $25,000, Apex keeps 10% and you keep 90%. But Apex is the best platform because they allow you to have up to 20 funded accounts. But G tells exactly how to set it up, find the account. Yeah. What? You've been in this stream like every single day. Yes, when you join the group, what they're running is exactly what you would be running. And to find the account, what do you mean? You just go to Apex Trader Funding, you go to sign up, and you click on the $50,000 account right here. And then you put in the coupon code SAVE80. How to fund the account. Yes, you literally just run the algorithm. That's the whole thing. As long as you don't come in the group and you try to put 10 contracts on the strategy, you will be fine. Who was it in, I'll find it, in announcements I posted last week. He was like, he'd passed all of his evaluations in like 6 days or something. Maybe, I'll try to clean this up. But yeah, you honestly come in and you listen to directions and you actually follow the spreadsheet properly, because what will happen is people won't follow the spreadsheet, which is highlighted bright green saying new members, and instead they just do whatever they want to do, and then they lose, and then they wonder why they lose. Like, that makes no sense. This is one of my members' setups for last week, the 11th, or 2 weeks ago, the 11th through the 19th. No, it was like a week and a half. These were his totals. Just running the algorithm. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday. Look at this. How much to join the group for a month? So the first 21 days is $500. That's a trial price. You can try it out, see if you like it. If you don't like it, there's no hard feelings. You just cancel, and then you're not charged again. If you like the algorithm and you want to keep using it, then it's $1,000 every month after that. He must be on. Yeah, Charlie, he is. But the point is, he has funded accounts that have a $10,000 cushion. So you can do that. So he's making, $2,000 a day by taking like 2 minis. Listen, I'm taking the smallest, I'm up $1,300 today. And the RTY has 5 contracts and the ES has 5 contracts. But then NQ has 1 and gold has 1. So, and again, the biggest loss on RTY with 5, I think, is like $1,000 or $1,500, but I'm okay with that loss. The ES with 5 minis, the loss is $2,500 or $2,000, something like that. But again, I'm okay with that loss. Like, I'm okay with that number. So you just have to know how to do math, essentially. If somebody knows how to do math, once you're funded, all that matters is that you build the cushion. And once you build the cushion, nothing else matters other than you just understanding the general sense of what you're risking day in and day out. What is Fonsky? What is no conservative mean?
Submitted.
YM is in a short on zones. Down here at the bottom. What does that mean? What time is it? It's 10:14. All right, I'm going to have to leave soon for my dental appointment. Look at this, continued short. This was the play on the student call. All that matters is that I gave my students this play right here, the short at 30. And where are we at now? Almost 100 points. When I build, I'm going to do more. Yeah, and that's the whole point. You don't do it when you're in well, you could do it when you're in evaluation if you don't care about busting the account. But then once you're funded, you just have to be really, really careful.
Target filled.
Target filled down here on YM zones. More people posting in results. John, now I'm definitely done for the day. See everyone tomorrow. Go premium. If you haven't done it yet, get Lauren's digital mentorship. 5,000, 5,000, 7,000. So 7 total. 8, 9,000 on the day for John. Nice job. He's a student. He listens. He has put together all of the things that I have taught him since he's taken the mentorship. Nice job, John. Nice. That play made your day. Very good. Very good. Great Tuesday morning, everyone. Make money. Thank you, Lauren. You're the best. It's so cute. All right. I'm going to wrap this up. I'm not in any range trades or trades that have any significance. There were no chop trades so far today, at least not on ES or YM. They were too far away, sadly. I had passed mine in 6 days for 100K. Not ideal to sprint, but following your steps and being conservative works. Nice, Miguel. Shut it down, Kyle. All right, I'm going to wrap it up. It's 10:16. Jen will be live at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but please give her a like on here. Make sure you join her live stream. Give her some love. I know you guys always do. You're great at that. NQ Chop OG got 1 trade. Nice, Jen. Good to know. Good to know. Well, did you extend it? What does premium cost? So premium is $500 more per month than the standard algos. And you get access to like 5 additional algorithms. But to get premium, you have to be in the group for at least a month. So regular algos are 100 or 1,000 a month. Premium algos are 1,500 a month. So it's 500 more per month. But again, you have to be in the group for at least a month before you can even request premium algorithms. All right, I'm going to wrap it up. Have a great day. Thanks for joining. And we'll be live at 2 p.m. Bye.